Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of tariffreliefportal.com, a site that claims to help you snag a $2,000 tariff stimulus. Because apparently, the government is just itching to hand out stacks of cash via a random website you found on the internet. They insist they aren't selling anything and just want to help you check your eligibility through a quick online process. While that sounds lovely in a fairy tale sort of way, a quick peek under the hood reveals some pretty glaring red flags that you definitely shouldn't ignore. First off, this website is younger than the milk in your fridge. According to WHOIS data, it was registered on December 5, 2025, giving it absolutely zero history or reputation. It's basically a digital newborn, and trusting it with your financial data is about as wise as asking a toddler for investment advice. Then there's the technical side of things. Instead of hosting its own platform, the site redirects you to a third-party page on myfunnelish.com. Nothing inspires confidence quite like being bounced around the web like a hot potato when you're supposedly trying to access government relief. If you're looking for a way to contact a human being, don't hold your breath. There's no email, no phone number, and zero customer support listed anywhere. They've made themselves harder to find than a polite person in a YouTube comment section. Furthermore, the site conveniently forgets to mention any official government affiliation. Real assistance programs usually live on verified government domains and clearly state which agency is in charge, whereas this site prefers the trust me, bro approach using language so vague it makes a fortune cookie look like a legal contract. To top it all off, there isn't a single legitimate user review to be found on platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. Instead, you're greeted by constant pop-ups claiming that people are qualifying for $2,000 every 5 seconds. It's a classic high-pressure tactic that feels about as genuine as a $3 bill. In conclusion, between the suspicious redirects, the total lack of transparency, and the fact that it's brand new, tariffreliefportal.com is one to avoid. We strongly recommend approaching this with extreme caution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.